Medtech4Europe is a project that has been implemented in the Silesian Voivodeship. It aims to support one of its regional smart specializations, in other words, medicine. It is worth knowing that Silesia is the second strongest region in Poland when it comes to the economy. The region's export of goods is the largest one in Poland. That is why it is very important for us to carry out activities that provide real help for enterprises and create a bridge for science-business cooperation in the field of medicine and technology. Medtech4Europe has been divided into two phases. In the first one, we have analyzed the advancement of the medtech sector in each of the partner regions, participated in on-site and virtual study visits together with our project partners, the latter being carried out due to the COVID-19 pandemic. We have been inspired by activities that we observed in the regions. We have learned about good practices and tried to adapt those ideas to our region. Organised meetings and workshops for representatives of enterprises, research units, local governments and clusters. Each project partner developed their regional action plan. In other words, a document that defines key activities aiming at the improvement of instruments provided to support research and development infrastructure in the field of technology for medicine. When it comes to the second phase, this is the implementation of actions. This phase is still ahead of us and it is ideal for you to get involved. We will implement our regional action plan through development of non-financial support dedicated to the medtech area and the creation of a sectorial competence and knowledge centre. Improvement of communication, especially in the context of informing about the possibilities of cooperation with research and development units in the field of medtech.